Akiflow with AI Assistant Aki. Do you ever feel like your day disappears before you even start? Tasks pile up, emails get buried, and important dates slip through your fingers. You tell yourself you'll do better tomorrow, but tomorrow looks just as overwhelming. The truth is, most of us waste hours each week switching between apps, forgetting reminders, and trying to organize chaos with sticky notes and scattered calendars. That's where Akiflow, with its AI assistant, Aki, comes in. Imagine having all your calendars, tasks, emails, and messages in one clean, organized place. No more jumping from app to app. Akiflow unifies everything into a single workspace. But the real game changer is Aki, the built-in AI assistant. Aki doesn't just sit in the background. It proactively manages your tasks, schedules meetings, reminds you of birthdays, and even handles things like travel planning, currency conversion, or fitness coaching. It can assign tasks to projects automatically, follow up on meetings, and send you daily or weekly planning suggestions. For anyone struggling with structure, especially those managing ADHD or complex workflows, Aki offers a lifeline by cutting through the noise and giving clear priorities. Of course, it's not perfect yet. Aki is still in beta, so some advanced features are evolving, and it might take a little time to get used to. But the payoff? A smoother, more focused life where your attention goes to what truly matters instead of fighting with messy to-do lists. So the question is, do you want to keep drowning in distractions or let Aki streamline your day? Start using Akiflow and see how much lighter your schedule can feel.